Looking for the best budgeting tool in 2025? Today we are putting Monarch Money and Simplify by Quicken head to head to see which one helps you manage your money smarter. Whether you are trying to crush debt, track expenses, or grow savings, this comparison will help you decide which platform deserves your trust. Let's dive in. Overview. First, a quick intro to both tools. Monarch Money is a sleek, modern budgeting app designed to give you a full picture of your finances, net worth, investments, cash flow, you name it. It's perfect for planners and families. Simplify by Quicken, on the other hand, offers a simplified and more guided experience. It focuses heavily on daily money tracking and goal setting, great for those who want to stay on top of their spending with less setup. Features breakdown. Let's break down some core features side by side. Budgeting style. Monarch uses customizable categories and goals, giving you control over how your budget works. Simplify gives you a more structured spending plan, automatically factoring in recurring expenses, income, and savings goals. Account syncing. Both tools support bank syncing, but Monarch has slightly more reliable connections via Plaid and supports manual entry better. Simplify syncing is solid too, but users sometimes report minor delays or duplicate transactions. Investments tracking. Monarch clearly wins here. It tracks investment accounts and calculates your net worth over time. Simplify doesn't support investment tracking in depth, so if that is important to you, Monarch is the better choice. Shared access. Monarch allows joint budgeting with a partner, ideal for couples or families. Simplify is single user focused with no collaboration tools as of 2025. Mobile app experience. Both are clean and user friendly. Monarch has more customization. Simplify feels faster for quick check ins. Pricing. When it comes to cost, both are paid tools. Monarch Money costs around $14.99 per month or $99 per year, but offers a 7-day free trial. Simplify is more budget friendly at $3.99 per month, billed annually, or about $47.99 per year. If you are cost conscious, Simplify has the edge. Pros and cons summary. Monarch Pros, deep customization, joint budgeting, net worth plus investment tracking. Monarch Cons, more expensive, slight learning curve for beginners. Simplify Pros, affordable, beginner friendly, great automated budgeting. Simplify Cons, limited investment features, no partner access. Final verdict. So which is best in 2025? If you are looking for a powerful long-term financial planning tool and do not mind paying more, Monarch is the clear winner. But if you want a simple, affordable day-to-day budgeting app that just works, Simplify is hard to beat. Either way, you will be taking control of your money and that is what really counts. And that's all for today's comparison. Please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe for more no-fluff personal finance comparisons, drop a comment, and see you in a new video.